After starting Blender and closing the splash screen, the Blender window should look similar to the image below. Blender's interface is separated into three main parts. The top bar at the very top consists of the main menu, which is used for saving, importing and exporting files, configuring settings, and rendering among other functions. Areas in the middle, which is the main workspace. The status bar at the bottom, which displays shortcut suggestions and relevant statistics. Workspaces are essentially predefined window layouts. Each workspace consists of a set of areas containing editors and is geared towards a specific task such as modeling, animating, or scripting. You'll typically switch between multiple workspaces while working on a project. Rotate the view around the point of interest by clicking and dragging the middle mouse button on the viewports area. Right mouse button cancels the orbit operation. The Alt key has several effects on orbiting. Clicking a point with Alt middle mouse button will make it the point of interest. It becomes the central point which the view orbits around. Holding Alt and then dragging with the mouse middle button in a certain direction will align the view to an axis and make it orthographic. Dragging with mouse middle button and then holding Alt will perform an orbit while also snapping to the world axis, as well as the diagonals between them. To change the viewing angle in discrete steps, use numpad 8 and numpad 2 to go up and down, or numpad 4 and numpad 6 for left and right. You can also press numpad 9 to switch to the opposite side of the view. Rotates the camera 180 degrees around the Z-axis. Shift plus mouse middle button pans the 3D viewport by moving the view left, right, up or down without rotating it. This is useful for repositioning your view without changing orientation. The two modes we will be using in this tutorial are 1. Object mode, 2. Edit mode. Object mode. This lets you select objects and move them around as you please. Edit mode. This allows you to select individual vertexes, lines, and planes. You can modify the mesh in this mode. To switch between these two modes, you can just press Tab to toggle between them. Translating. There are many ways to do this. One is to simple left-click and drag the gizmo. Another is to just select the object and press G. For example, to translate on the red X-axis, all you have to do is select Object, then press G, then X and drag mouse for desired translation. Rotating. Rotating is very simple. All you have to do is select the object to be rotated and press R. If you want to rotate around a specific axis, first press R, then X, Y, or Z. Each letter corresponds to its respective axis. Scaling. To scale an object, simply press S. If you want to stretch an object along a certain axis, press X, Y, or Z after pressing S.